Emirates Islamic Flex Elite Credit Card, honest review, and user experience. Credit cards promise perks, but the Emirates Islamic Flex Elite Card aims to deliver luxury benefits for travellers. I've used it for several months, and here's my honest review. Most people assume all elite cards are the same, but the surprising truth is this card focuses on travel rewards, flexible Sharia-compliant financing, and premium lifestyle benefits. You get access to airport lounges, complimentary travel insurance, and generous rewards points for dining, shopping, and travel purchases. Applying was smooth, with a straightforward online process and clear eligibility requirements. Once approved, managing the card through the Emirates Islamic app was convenient, with real-time tracking of rewards transactions and bill payments. One standout feature is the rewards program. I earn points on every purchase, which could be redeemed for flights, hotel stay, or cashback. Travel benefits included trip delay protection, lost baggage coverage, and medical assistance abroad. For frequent flyers, these perks add real value. The downside? The annual fee is higher than regular cards, so it's best suited for those who can leverage the travel perks and rewards regularly. Additionally, some benefits are region-specific, so international users should verify coverage before relying on it. In conclusion, the Emirates Islamic Flex Elite Credit Card is ideal for travellers and premium cardholders who value rewards, insurance coverage, and lifestyle perks. If you spend frequently on travel and dining, the benefits can easily outweigh the costs. For anyone looking for a Sharia-compliant elite card with comprehensive perks, this card is worth considering.